The Taste of Conquest. The Rise and Fall of the Three Great Cities of Spice. By Michael Krondl. Narrated by Todd, McLaren. Copyright 2007 by Michael Krondl. This unabridged audiobook is published by arrangement with Michael Krondl and Deistel and Goderich Literary Agents, and was produced in the year 2007 by Tantor Media Incorporated, which holds the copyright thereto. Introduction. First Taste. St. Albans. The Sultan and the Orgy. In my mind, flavor, smell, and memory are intertwined. To really understand a distant time and place, you should be able to sample its antique flavors, sniff the ancient air, and take part in its archaic obsessions. But how can you taste the food of a feudal lord? Where do you meet a medieval ghost? I came across a likely spot on a cobbled lane in the old English pilgrimage town of St. Albans. The Sultan restaurant is located here in the lee of a great Norman cathedral, in a house that seems to stagger more than stand on the little medieval street. I had made my pilgrimage to St. Albans to track down the remains of a famous medieval travel writer. More on him later, but before searching for phantoms, I was in desperate need of lunch. To get to the Sultan's dining room, you have to climb a set of steep and wobbly stairs to the second story, where the sagging, timbered attic has been fitted with tables, each separated from the next by perilously low rafters. The space cries out for blonde, buxom wenches bearing flagons of ale and vast platters overflowing with great haunches of wild beasts showered with cinnamon, ginger, pepper, and cloves. And indeed, the kitchen door exudes sweet and fiery spice. But the waiter is skinny, male, and decidedly not of Norman stock. And if that weren't enough of a clue, the Indian hip-hop on the sound system and Mogul prints on the walls will quickly disabuse you of any illusions of stepping into merry old England. The Sultan specializes in Balti cooking, a type of South Asian cuisine that swept Britain by storm some years back. The style originates in Baltistan, a place once identified with Shangri-La, but now more likely to make headlines for its sectarian bloodshed. The mountainous territory stands astride a tributary of the Silk Road, once used to bring spices from South India to China, Persia, and the Mediterranean. Accordingly, as is only appropriate for such a mythical land, Balti food is profoundly spicy. But is it as spicy as the food of Europe's Middle Ages, I wonder?
Sample complete. Ready to continue?